All right, guys, so I am all by myself, you know, at home chilling. Everyone else is at Clayton cars and stuff. Gordo's off doing him. So I've got some corner lights. My boy Jake hooked me up. 1320, those guys are just awesome. Everyone at 1320 is great. So Jake hooked me up, gave me some corner lights for the Integra, because it's pretty beat. This corner light right here is broken. I already pulled the screw in here. Let me just pop it out for you. All right, because it's actually broken. So I got to unscrew the bottom part of this one so this guy can come out, because right now he only goes that far because there is a screw in the center here. So I got to pull that screw, and then I'll be able to swap that out for my other corner lights. I got parts for Candy here. So I got corner lights, and then I also have a bumper in the garage. This one's pretty beat. I might just, it doesn't have holes drilled in it or anything, so I'll see. I might just swap out the whole front bumper. I don't know. All right, so I'm just gonna do the corners for now so that I can do the headlights when I do the bumper, because I do have a broken headlight. So I'm just gonna do the corners, and then I'll do the bumper and the headlights at the same time. The bumper is a different style bumper, so it's got a little bit kind of a different flare right here. It's a little bigger, a little lower, so it'll look a little different, but I like it still. It looks good. Just gotta pull this screw real quick. I got boost pipes in there, no turbo, man. No turbo. Oh, got it. That was some work. So grab that out. Got this new one here. Honestly, I should have cleaned the car before I did this, so it would have looked good at least. We'll have to clean it after. Woo! That looks so good. So clean, man. Man, that looks so good. Oh yeah, I dig that a lot. That's really, really sick. Oh yeah. These bulbs look a lot better though than the other side did. The other side is like hanging out and all busted, and This one still looks at least intact, so I don't know, this one might work, but I got the corner light out. This one's not broken. It's just not brand new, not beautiful. So got these ones here from my man Jake. They look sick. All right, so I got the bulbs all in. Now I got this one in the right direction. Just slide that in there, just like that, guys. And then I gotta grab my screw. Ooh, that looks freaking good, man. So this is the broken headlight I was talking about. Just gotta get a whole new headlight for it. I actually gotta pop my bumper back down. It jumped up. It does that sometimes. Just this side, never this side. This side always stays down, but sometimes this side pops up and I gotta just, usually I can pry it down. But yeah, well, heck yeah. So Candy got some clean new quarters. Need to give her a wash now and just take care of the rest of it. Do the body work, fix all the Bondo cracks and all the molding cracks. Just get a new hood on it, new bumper, headlight. Really take care of it. Get it back to its former glory. See if I can maybe do a Candy paint job myself. I don't know. That's a little too much. We shouldn't go that far. But so there's my girl Candy. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.